Morning everyone, today I'm presenting about John Dalton, a pioneer of atomic theory. John Dalton was born in September 6, 1766 in Eaglesfield, England. Quaker family background and limited formal education. Self-taught in science and mathematics. And also, John Dalton became a teacher at the age of 12. His contributions in scientific are atomic theory, proposed that matter is composed of atoms, invincible and indestructible particles. And also, a law of multiple proportions, explained how elements combine in fixed ratios. Dalton's atomic model, atoms of same element are identical. Different elements have different atoms. This is the atomic model I made for this presentation. John Dalton became a meteorologist, kept detailed weather records for over 57 years. And he also studied about color blindness, first scientific study on color blindness called Daltonism, law of partial pressures, contribution to gas laws. John Dalton's impact and legacy laid the foundation for modern chemistry, inspired future scientists including Dmitri Mendeleev, a periodic table, remembering as the father of atomic theory. Personal life and death. John Dalton lived a personal and simple, modest life as a teacher and a scientist. He died on July 27, 1844 in Manchester, England.
Okay, class dismissed. That's it.
Hindi mo doon ah, wag ka na mag-joke ha.
You are my everything. I hope that someday you will realize.
Gugong sa kay mama.
In your eyes, and I wish my dream will come true. I am lost without you. You are my everything.
Nabubuluhan ngayon ako sa working media. Pwede mo bang explain tayong jump items to items?
Oh, pwede naman.
Sige, pumuna tayo dito.
Sige. Pwede naman. Wait lang, check ko lang sa notes ko.
Medyo naguguluhan kasi ako kanina.
Bakit ka naguguluhan?
Hey, si Sir Albert.
Sayang. Di ba nag-stop ako kanina sa pagkamatay niya?
Ano nangyari dun?
Nilibing lang naman siya with honors. Ang daming pumunta sa kanyang libing. Mga 40,000. Ang dami nun, no? Tapos, pagkatapos nun, based dito sa notes ko, so, nirevolutionize niya ang pagkaintindi about sa matter. Alam mo ba yung matter? Hindi mo alam. So, in summary, Si John Dalton, nirevolutionize niya ang pagkaintindi sa matter. Isa pa is yung atomic theory niya, which is this remains a cornerstone of modern of science. And lastly, yung huli ay a legacy of curiosity, perseverance, and scientific rigor.
Thank you.
Okay na ba yun? Naintindihan mo na ba yung about kay John Dalton?
Okay lang. Maganda naman siya.
Thank you. So, gagabi na.